Today we are taking Geo to the shop to replace the muffler. And as you can see, we took the tow bar off too, so it looks a lot better without it. Let's see what she looks like underneath. There's the problem, part of the problem.
Really clean. I don't have any rust under here. Just
Yeah.
a little surface rust because it's a California car.
Yeah.
Not like being in another state where they use salt. I'm wanting these bolts out. Try to get them off.
So just in case you're wondering what he's doing with the torch, he is burning out all the cobwebs and getting in all the cracks and crevices to clean out the spiders, so we don't have any bugs or anything. He's also inspecting everything under there, and as you can see, it's super clean. No rust at all anywhere on the underside of this thing. It's pretty amazing. We do not, however, recommend that the average person do this. He's pretty knowledgeable and knows where areas that he needs to stay away from to be safe. Gotta take that off first. Is that a skid pan?
That's a skid pan, yes.
We got a skid pan. Whoa. That's really loud. Come on. Oh, good.
Can we be so lucky?
Oh,
Yes.
it broke off? That tailpipe does some serious curvature.
Yeah, I could have got
Holy cow.
Max at Marco Muffler to make me a new one, and I probably should have. It would have been cheaper. But this one's supposed to be good, and they took and cut it. I ordered it. It was one piece. They cut it to put it in a box. It was stupid. So beware, buyers. See, this is they take and they make it, and then they went and they had cut it on me. I was super mad because everything I read was as one piece.
Well, how would they ship that though?
I don't know. In a big damn box, they ship stuff all over.
I kind of understand how they shipped it that way. Almost got it loose. It's a long bendy thing. Holy cow.
And it's warm.
And it's warm. Yeah, we kind of drove around a little bit. There you go.
There's your old exhaust and your new exhaust. Now, nothing about this
That does not look similar.
looks like it'll work.
Nope.
Oh my God. I guess you gotta put this right.
Oh, there we go.
Look at that.
Oh, that's pretty close.
Pretty close.
Pretty close.
They use a shorter muffler. It's supposed to be an exact duplicate.
It's the same distance to the connector.
I'm gonna have to turn the press on probably.
Oh, you have to get those nuts out, huh?
One of them.
Little flathead things. It's like a little fireworks show.
Yeah. That's why I'm gonna have to do the hub also.
Oh, yeah. So this is what my husband normally works on, or similar things to this, as well as hot rods. He got this roll cage from Genrite and welded it together, and then it had it powder coated. He also added a Genesis dual battery kit with phone charger and 12-volt auxiliary for a refrigerator that goes under one of the seats when it's taken out. Then he also made a bracket for the seats so that you can take one out and put the refrigerator in. He did a lot of work on this. He also added a quick release steering wheel and an S-pod for the different things that need to be connected, I guess. But yeah, he did a really good job. It's so nice. The customer is very happy with it.
Really doesn't matter too much because I can get a bolt in it right now.
Oh yeah, it's not a screw, it's a bolt that holds it, right?
Bolt in that, yeah. But I probably will want to do the other side. So I have two fresh bolts.
All right, got them both drilled out. An unexpected delay putting the new muffler on. Yeah. Oh,
How about that?
careful.
That little
That's the arm off.
darn thing's got some power. Nothing but fun when you're working on these old vehicles. I don't know if I even needed a new one of these.
Oh, yeah, we got a new
Let's see what
seal.
See what the other one looks like.
Yeah.
Gonna fit like a champ.
Good.
That's all we got. That's all we got.
Now we gotta get that. Oh. So are you gonna put it, you gotta weld it first before you put it on there, right?
No,
Or you're just gonna, that's just, you don't have to weld it.
I do, but this is gonna go on like this, and then I'll be able to bring this up here like this.
Yeah.
And then I'll tack one in.
Oh.
And then I'll adjust my tailpipe until it feels and looks right.
Yeah.
And then I'll tack the other. That's how I'm gonna do it.
That's how you're gonna do it? And it hooks in that little rubber hanger.
Hanger, yeah.
Grommet.
Whatever you wanna call it. Grommet, hanger, slash. Oh,
Oh, and then that one hooks up there.
oh yeah.
Can you hold it?
Yeah. And we won't tighten it down tight all the way yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're gonna be good. So, at least it matches up really clean where they cut it and comes out where it's supposed to.
Look at that.
I'll be darned.
Wasn't in the best condition when we got it, but everything fits right. So that's good.
Hopefully, I can just tack weld it and then.
Yeah. Can you tack weld it while it's on there, or you have to take it back off?
No, that's my goal is to tack weld it on there, so it's lined up coming out the tailpipe part.
So we do have these clamps if you don't want to weld your tailpipe. Lots of finagling with vehicles.
Lots of finagling. That's here somewhere. All right, right there.
Oh, good catch.
Oh man.
Gonna be finagler and a contortionist.
Yeah. Do it without this anti-seize on there. It just makes me feel better. And it loops them while they're going in. And then if I have to take them off for any reason,
Yeah.
I can.
It's always good to have the anti-seize so you don't break them, huh?
Yeah. It's just nice because those go into a factory spot, so.
Yeah. Everything's tightened down?
Almost.
Almost done. And as you can see, we got a nice dent in our brand new muffler. It came that way, and which is why my husband was a little upset when he got it. But, you know, it's just a muffler, so nobody's going to see it. It also has that label on it that he doesn't want on there because he thinks it's going to smoke when we drive as it burns off. So we're going to take that off too. Cleaning it all up.
Huh?
We got the label off for the wire wheel, so now it won't stink. Shazam. Nice. Good job. All right, we're all done with the muffler replacement, and glad we did that because we needed to get it smogged. And as you saw, the muffler was in kind of rough shape, kind of coming apart. So that turned out really good. It wasn't too hard. We had a couple of hiccups with the bolt breaking and then drilling out the other one so they match. And glad that we got that done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring that bell so you know when we're downloading another video. Thank you.